who had said, I quote, Arnab, I quote, that Sonia Gandhi is epitome of corruption. I unquote. तो उसको खटाखट वोट दे के आए हैं.
आज मिस्टर मोदी के बारे में बोल रहा है, he was the B party.
But इन्होंने बहुत बड़ा point raise किया है. I want to go on that. What he's saying, if Rajat, we can take it forward with you and Professor Akhil Swami, he has said that there is no momentum of unity. And he said, where is there an India alliance? We need to think about this. TMC and Congress party are fighting. Mallikarjun Kharge is rebuking Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Chaudhary says Mamta has proven that she can never be trusted. In Punjab, Professor Akhil Swami, Bhagwant Mann rebelled and he said, I am not going with an alliance. He's contesting all the 13 seats independently. Mamta Banerjee says, I am contesting all 42 independently. Nitish Kumar joined the NDA, right? In Kerala, Shashi Tharoor has big doubt over the CPM and Congress alliance. Never happened. Madhya Pradesh, Akhilesh was attacking the Congress. कि इनको आप बिल्कुल believe नहीं कर सकते. In Maharashtra, Sanjay Raut suggested Congress must start from 0 seats in seat-sharing negotiations. In Uttar Pradesh, this is a very late alliance. In Tamil Nadu, Congress is a junior party, so it's happy. My question is, there is no alliance. Professor Swami, it is time that we start from a presumption that there was no alliance before the first round of voting. There is only a dream you are putting of an alliance. Where is the alliance? I think there is no, it's a political catastrophe. This whole concept of an alliance has been a political catastrophe, as catastrophic as the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Professor Swami.
See, when you introduced me,
yes,
you said I am pro-Congress and anti-BJP. I am not anti-BJP. I am basically anti-Modi.
Anti-Modi?
Yes. If I voted for 10 times in my life, 5 times I voted for BJP and 5 times I voted for Congress. I was basically a person who was totally against Congress. I was a disciple of Lohia, Dr. Lohia. See, in last 10 years, what I have seen, the way the farmers were treated, so badly treated. In last 75 years, I have never seen any prime minister and the government treating farmers so badly. I have not seen some decisions that have been taken, like demonetization. We ruined the total economy of the country. Gaurav Vallabh is also an economist. I am also somewhat, I can say that.
I'm sure he will respond to you on that.
The way the economy was shattered, the total currency that was available at that time came back to banks. All black money of the big capitalists was turned into white money. And today the currency in circulation is double of that. So I'm anti.
How do you have that figure?
You can check the figure.
You can't bring approximation.
You can check the figure. Now,
I
the point is that
I'm asking you to tell me where you gave me that figure.
The scheme like...
So where did you get that figure from?
The scheme like...
So where did you get that figure from?
The scheme like...
You're not answering me, so where did you get that figure?
The point is that scheme like Agniveer, which has totally ruined the growth of my youth, and a person who took this decision is himself 74 years old. He wants an extension of 5 years. As a person of 72 years, I want my next generation to get jobs. I'm interested in my students' employment. I'm interested to control the inflation. I don't want to hear जिस तरह की भाषा बोली जा रही है. मैंने न पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कहते हुए सुना है, न अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को कहते हुए सुना है. इस प्रकार की भाषा कि मैं भगवान का अवतार हूं. ये एक प्रकार से.
Where does he said that against a fact check? आप ये जो बातें कहते हैं, आप ये प्रोफेसर स्वामी जी, आप बहुत सीनियर व्यक्ति है, मैं आपके साथ ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं कर सकता, मगर कृपा करके हमको बताइए कि मिसलीड करने की भी तो कोई ना कोई लिमिट तो होती है.
नहीं, क्या ये नहीं कहा गया?
कहाँ कहा
कि मैं
भगवान का अवतार हूँ? कब कहा?
अरे
नहीं, बहुत बड़ी बात कहते हैं.
अरे संबित पात्रा कह रहे हैं
नहीं.
कि जगन्नाथ भगवान जो हैं वो मोदी जी के डिसिपल हैं. विश्व हिंदू जो वहां पे जो आपकी जन्मभूमि के महंत हैं, वो कह रहे हैं विष्णु का अवतार हैं. मेरे सनातनी के भावना पे ये एक प्रकार का वो है, आघात है, और मेरी सनातनी भावना आहत हुई है. राम जन्मभूमि पे जब मेरे शंकराचार्य ने कह दिया कि वहां पे मंदिर अपूर्ण है, शास्त्र विरुद्ध है, ये वेदों के विरुद्ध है, जो सारे कार्यक्रम हुए, मेरी सनातनी भावना को ठेस पहुंची है. आई एम हर्ट.
नहीं, देखिए
रजत, you can respond.
शब्दों को खेला गया है और हम सब ने स्पीच सुनी थी वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की. उसमें उन्होंने बोला था, और ये हम सब बोलते हैं बातों में, कि देखिए हम लोग इस धरती पे जब आए हैं, मैं आपकी सनातनी भाषा में और सनातनी जो आवेग है आपका, उसको उत्तर दे रहा हूं. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एड्रेस हिज हिंदू
Please, go
sentiments
ahead,
which
go ahead.
have
No, because he's added that angle.
But the
Though he
problem
did
is
not
that he
address
doesn't
my
understand
question.
Hindi.
No, 1 minute.
What Prime Minister said was very clear. He said that, see, we are all here for a purpose. Are you not here for a purpose? We are all here to contribute, work for our nation, work for our Janam Bhoomi, Karam Bhoomi.